Euro dollar just blasted to its highest level since 2021. We had the resistance at 118.10 to 118.20. It's holding right now. We got the US dollar index slightly recovering. Dollar yen actually was running that one, as the euro dollar is still holding tight at 117.72. The Fed's looking wobbly. Inflation in Europe is back in focus, and we've got 8 straight green days on the euro. Let's dive in because this is not the time to sleep on price action. Welcome back, everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these absolutely insane markets. If you like what you see, smash the like button, hit subscribe, share my videos far and wide. I want to build a huge trading community that actually understands what's moving the markets. All right, right now, euro dollar is trading right around 117.75-ish, pushing into a fresh 3-year high after breaking out of the key range last week. Now, if you saw my video yesterday on sterling yen and dollar yen, I nailed dollar yen. I was in sterling yen long, got punched in the face a little bit, got taken out basically at my average, but I said that I wanted to sell dollar yen at 143.73. I did, and I got them back at 142, like 90 on average. Not bad, not bad. Now the euro dollar, let's make some euro dollar calls. All right, what we got in the background, we got Trump's tax plan is shaking confidence in U.S. fiscal discipline. That's for sure. Traders are pricing in multiple Fed cuts by year end. Powell hasn't moved, though. Trump's going to have to remove Powell in order to see any type of movement, I think, in the Fed. Now, he may cut rates just to try to save his skin. But right now, this is a political game that they're both playing. And he doesn't look like he wants to give up anytime soon. Now we come back over to this chart. I want to show you the DAX. It's an 8-hour chart right here. Let's pull this. So let's get some more information on the DAX. I think I called this yesterday. I said there was a level. I don't think we really reached it yet. Hang on. Let's go back in time. Let me actually change this to 1 week so we can get more data in closer. All right. So here we are. Where are we on this thing? We had a point right here at 94.71. Let me put that line in there because we were talking about, I was bringing this up, I think, yesterday in yesterday's video. So 194.71. I'm sorry, not 194, 194.71. We didn't quite reach that yet, but we got potential to reach it as the euro dollar, if the euro dollar can continue to rally. Okay, right there, 194.68, close enough. We're down on the week. We got a break of this recently week low here. We got 2 punches down right now. If this week closes down, it's actually saying that the structure has changed and we can continue rallying in the euro and also in the yen itself and also in sterling. So I'm back over to the euro dollar chart. Let's get into what's actually happening here. ECB officials, including Lagarde, said the euro strength is deserved. It's not just a byproduct of U.S. weakness. I don't know so much about that. I don't see much, happening in the Eurozone yet. Maybe there's some things happening. There has been tremendous amount of inflows into the Eurozone. So maybe something is happening. Maybe there's some green shoots that I'm not seeing. But anyway, I'm a technical trader. I really don't care about, fundamentals running in the background. But we got to pay attention to them. I shouldn't say I don't care about it. I got to pay attention to what's happening. Now, the Eurozone economy is showing solid CPI numbers. It came in right as expected, 2% inflation holding steady. That's good. Now, rate cuts from the ECB may pause sooner than expected. They're right at the target that they want. There's no reason to jump rates in the European sector for the simple reason they don't want to, crush any type of green shoots that are happening that I don't see right now. So momentum is pretty strong. We got RSI. If you look at that stuff, it's flashing a little bit overbought, but you got to be, look, when markets are actually running, okay, and they're bid, RSI could say, in overbought territory for a long time. RSI is really good when you're in, a consolidating market. Okay, when you're starting to run and start to get bid, it could stay overbought for very, very long. Now, if the euro dollar can break above, I think 118.30, the next resistance up is that 119.20 level. All right, so we currently rejected levels right near that level. If we come on up to this chart right here, actually I'm going to go down to a 4-hour chart so we could see a little bit more data. Let's go here. Let's go to the 4-hour. Okay, so as we stood right here, we had resistance at 118.15. So far, we ran up to that 118.29 level, 118.30. It got rejected from that so far. So as it stands right now, it's got to hold like this bar's close right here, which we're attempting to come down to right now. So short term, we're looking at this price close right there, 117.57. If we break down to 117.57, you'd have to have 2 punches down below it, really. You could probably get back down to 117, the figure, as it stands right now. Let me do some quick calculations. Okay, I'm going to go like really short term. Let me go to a 1-hour chart. Let's get down to a 1-hour chart. Oh, here we go. All right, let's widen this out. Let's get this up looking better. Okay, so we're trading right around 117.75. I know it's going to sound crazy, but 118.83 is an important level. I don't like that we're actually like kind of below it right now, but it doesn't mean anything until we actually consecutively close below that level. However, if we touch back down, say to 60 and the level holds, in my opinion, if this level comes down to here and it holds, and we pop back up through this top right here, we're on the run to like 118, say 90-ish. Now, a hold below this and we break this, we're looking that we're going back down to like 117. I would go like right here, 117, the figure, right across over here. So that's what we got going on right now in the euro dollar. Look, Eurozone inflation data hit steady at 2%. U.S. labor and NFP is coming up, so it could shift the dollar narrative. But right now, volatility is expected. If we can get through that 118.30, we got probably like 119.20. So that's what I got for you guys right now. If you like what you see, head on over to Park Avenue Trading. Get yourself a free ebook. I'm also going to be putting up in the description soon a site where you can get the book plus some videos that help you guys navigate the book itself. And remember, always as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.